Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to install a baby car seat. Firstly, check for built-in anchor points in your car. Set the base angle according to your child's size using the decals on the side. Then pull out the stabilizer bar from the front and place it firmly against your car seat's backrest. Now locate the ISOFIX buckles on the child seat. Look for small seat belts like straps. Find the ISOFIX attachment points in your car and lock the buckles into place. Now tighten the straps until the green line appears on the indicator. And if your car doesn't have ISOFIX points, use the seatbelt and top tether method. Now extend the tether strap to its maximum length and guide it over or around the headrest and click into the top tether point, usually at the back of the seat or parcel shelf. Tighten the strap to remove slack while minimizing twists, and place your baby in the seat and secure all seat belts snugly. Tighten the other side of the tether strap to match the first side, and ensure the front seat does not press against the child seat. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.